So we couldn't decide what type of ice cream we wanted to make since there's so many options. So in these bowls, under them we have chocolate chips, vanilla, cookie dough, and coffee ice cream, which is my favorite, but Josh doesn't like that one. And so Josh is gonna choose randomly. I swear I don't even know what's in these anymore, but he's gonna choose randomly so we can decide what flavor ice cream we make. Are you ready?
Yeah. Alright, so big decision here. Which one? Chocolate chips.
Shoot. Okay, what did we have? We had
Vanilla.
coffee, cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
I said cookie ice cream sandwiches still, but
I mean, we can make ice cream sandwiches. Yeah.
okay, this is our tennis ball can with 3 totally used tennis balls. Shoot.
Yeah.
One more time. I actually learned how to do this. Wait. No, I got it. Let's see it.
Okay. I'm not there. Which one? Just 2. 3 in a row.
Okay, so to make our chocolate chip ice cream, we are gonna make vanilla ice cream and add chocolate chips. So we add half a cup of milk.
You got that, Lauren?
No, it's heavy. Woo! See? The milk. And then we add a tablespoon of sugar, which this is a tablespoon. Into the bag. And then we add how much vanilla? Half a teaspoon?
Just
Half a
add it all.
teaspoon. No, we have to measure it out. This is such a mistake. Oh, we had exactly half a teaspoon in this.
That's so cool, Lauren.
I think it's cool. And then we're good. It seems very, it looks like almond milk, I would say, if you've ever had almond milk.
Lauren, you're supposed to squeeze all the air out of the bag.
It's very liquidy. Definitely not ice cream yet.
Not yet. It'll become ice cream.
I don't know if it's the sugar I spilled or the inside is sugary or grainy feeling, but one or the other. You can see here the vanilla and sugar are mixing, but not the milk. Yeah, I would say overall it looks like almond milk.
Yeah, that's a good diagnosis of the situation.
Thank you. Okay. So now we're gonna put in the chocolate chips. Since this is Lauren's own recipe that I thought up about, we're just gonna eyeball it. Put in a little handful, see how it goes. Maybe put in more if it looks like it needs more. I think that looks good. I mean, I'm the person who likes chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. Okay. The air's out of that. We put as much air out as we could. And I would say now it just looks like almond milk with chocolate chips.
Yeah.
It's very separated. You could see yeah. There you go.
So now what we have to do is we actually have to make the ice cream. So we're gonna put all this ice into here. Some iodized salt. The iodine doesn't really matter, I don't think. Then we're gonna roll this guy up as so. Just put him in there.
You decided it's gender?
I'm sorry. put that in there. Put her, that. And then we're gonna go get some more ice because I already ran out of ice.
I can't really describe how this looks right now. It looks a little bit like a flower, I guess, in a tennis ball can.
Okay, then we're gonna finish putting the ice in. Pack it down a little bit. Some more salt. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Okay, so we've been rolling this for 5 minutes, and definitely like the ice has
Stop the
liquefied.
timer.
Oh.
So yeah. Yeah.
What does
It's
it
time
feel
to
like?
Take it out.
No, don't take it out because then we have to.
So it's still liquefied, you know.
It's still liquidy.
Yeah, it's still liquidy, but it is much less liquidy than it was before. It's much thicker than it was before.
Yeah, but like the ice, what it used to like come all the way up, and now it's like not at all.
Yeah.
It's the bottle's way colder. I think we're gonna go for 5 more minutes.
Should we add more? I think we're gonna add more ice and salt as well.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, so we did that for another 5 minutes, so a total of 10.
Wow.
The top is like icy.
It's all frozen over. All right. Should we take it off?
Yeah. Ooh. We're also we watched Ninja Warrior while doing this.
So
Once again, the ice is like
completely melted.
Wait,
Something like that.
no! We're gonna move locations.
No,
Pull
wait.
out all the other steps so we can get the ice cream. It's really cold.
It smells really good. It smells like ice cream. Wow.
Oh.
As it is.
Oh, it's cold.
It is cold, but it is ice cream now.
Yeah,
It is
it's solid.
solid.
Hands are very
Alright.
cold. So stay tuned for the taste test that we're doing.
So we're taking the ice cream out of the bag now, and as you can clearly see, it is completely solid. And I tried it, and it tastes really good. So this taste test will be
I would say the texture is not at all like typical ice cream though. It's very like
it's harder than typical ice cream, I think.
yeah, it's not creamy either. It kind of is flaky, I guess.
Try it.
It tastes good. Okay, so we're gonna do a little taste test, and we have some store-bought ice cream and some homemade ice cream, and we got some willing volunteers to try it out.
What's up?
That one's my brother.
Wait, are they filming this?
Yes, we are.
so.
Okay, so this is number 1.
It's Oliver.
This is Oliver. You ready?
Here, let me give you a napkin so you can put Oliver's spoon on.
Are they gonna show this to
Here, put Oliver's spoon
I
here.
don't know.
Okay.
Maybe.
I'll give you number
Lauren.
2. Yeah.
Okay,
Take
all
it.
right. You can, okay.
Not really.
No. All right.
Max, don't play.
Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, here's the second one.
Okay, you can't tell us which one you like better because then it's gonna.
Yeah,
influence
we're gonna wait
everything.
till the end. What's your name?
Max. Hi.
You ready, Max?
No.
Okay, open. Okay, that's number 1.
And then they can just put their fingers up with 1 or 2. That way they can't see it. They can't tell what they think each
Yeah.
each
Oh, yeah.
other saying, right?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here's number 2.
And they should use their fingers so they don't hear the other person's
Yeah,
mark,
comments.
because then they might be
I'm gonna go
swayed
with
by somebody else.
Right, exactly.
You're right. That's
Okay, are you
the
ready?
idea. It
Yeah.
has to
What's
be
your name?
a controlled test.
Okay. This is number 1. Ready?
Right. It's almost like, oh god, I don't know, do I trust this? Are they gonna feed me goldfish or what?
Is this water?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's 1. Oh wait. Okay.
Oh, you could probably take off your blindfold now, Oliver.
No, just
Oh, no, okay, wait,
Okay, he's
okay.
done.
Okay, are you ready?
Mhm.
Here's number 2.
All right, now put your fingers up to see.
Which do you think was the store-bought one?
Which one did you like better? But which one, okay, which one did you like better?
Okay, blindfold off. Looks like this.
I said that number 1 tasted better.
It doesn't taste bad.
Yeah, you like
And
number
this
one
was the
better.
store-bought one, which was number 2.
Colgate.
That one was more solid.
How do you think the ice cream tasted?
After tasting it, I thought that it could have used a little bit less vanilla. It was really sugary, which was kind of odd because we didn't add that much sugar to it. Yeah, I mean, I think the chocolate chips were a great addition, personally. What about you, Lauren?
I personally thought it was not very creamy. It was kind of icy, which was like a weird
Yes.
texture to me, and I think that's what stood out to a lot of the people who tasted it as well. But I think overall, like, it was okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so answering the 3 discussion questions about the ice cream. Number 1, describe the heat transfer that occurs in your ice cream making system. So the heat in the milk mixture moved from that solution into the ice to create like an equilibrium between the 2.
And the salt added to the ice increased the melting point so that the milk mixture could get colder before the ice melted.
Okay, number 2, what is the role of the sugar molecules in the ingredient mixture for the ice cream?
So the sugar molecules added to the milk allow the solution to form a more creamy ice cream instead of becoming icy and flaky.
Okay, number 3, milk is mostly water. What is the normal freezing point of water, and how do the other ingredients in the milk mixture affect the freezing point of water in the milk? So the normal freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius, but the other ingredients changed the freezing point by increasing it, and so the solution became a solid faster than it would have.
Yep.